Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Xero, which is an award-winning online accounting software for small-scale businesses. We are going to talk about its pros and cons. I'll tell you more about it, and then we'll compare the pricing plans. So let's start. Xero offers a variety of features to make your business function smoothly and efficiently. The software handles all accounting transactions effectively. It permits unlimited users to get online at time and work in collaboration over data, which is accessible through a single ledger. Xero also provides bank reconciliation services by importing the various transactions from your bank account and matching them with your cash book. Businesses' finance and cash flow statements are updated on a real-time basis, helping you to keep a track of all your expenses and transactions. It's made for small and medium businesses and also individuals and freelancers. They are located in Wellington, New Zealand, and they are providing 24/7 live support. So you always have someone to turn if you need to. You can run it in your web browser, as I'm doing right now, and also get it in your mobile phone. If you have Android or iOS, it doesn't actually matter. They are providing a really nice free trial for 30 days, and then 3 plans: the starter, standard, and premium. I'm looking for some kind of sales, but it seems like that they are not providing any like large 50% sales per month. So with starter you get 50% of the usual price of 24 USD per month for the first 3 months. Terms apply. Good for traders, new businesses, and self-employed. Then we have a standard, which is a little bit expensive, but is the most popular one. And then the premium. Their sale looks like they're offering like 50% off first 3 months. So this is going to be after 3 months, $22, $35, and $47, which is still not that devastating, I would say. I strongly recommend you trying Xero. It's one of my most loved apps out there, or softwares for accounting. It's very easy to read. So if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.